Hi, my name is Laura Showers. I live in Cannon Falls, Minnesota with my husband, three kids, four dogs, two cats, and a horse. So we are always doing something, it feels like. Over winter break, we didn't do a whole lot, which was nice. We spent time at home, relaxed, and just kind of enjoyed the snow, which we finally have this year. I currently work as an RN lead at a rural family practice clinic, and I've done that for almost 6 years. Some of the goals that I have as a student in the nurse educator program is not only to improve my knowledge of education in relation to the nursing practice, but also to strengthen my knowledge of myself as a learner and as a future educator. I want to be a teacher that is approachable and real with my future students and staff, and a great resource for future nurses as they grow in this profession. I hope to learn more about the importance of nursing education and the many different ways that we can provide educational material to benefit our future learners and the profession of nursing as a whole. I'm not really sure where my specific career aspirations will take me. I do know that I have a passion for the nursing profession, continuing education, and education as a whole. I always tell my family if I could get paid to go to school full time, I totally would. I love school. Um, it's it's one thing that I just really enjoy doing. I enjoy learning. I enjoy discussing learning and talking to others about the nursing profession and all there is to know. I like to relate to others and support them through their journey to nursing, whether that be through education, precepting, leading. But at some point, I know that my career will shift from patient-centered learning, or teaching, I should say, to more of a professional setting of school or hospital centered learning. So I don't know when, but I do know that that's something that I do want to do with my future, um, depending on the time and where I am with my life. Um, I think that everything happens for a reason, and I'll find the right place at the right time, and it'll be good. I am very interested in the cultural impacts of education, as well as the internal and external factors that impact our learning, teaching, behaviors, decision making, and overall our health. Since the pandemic, I've taken a lot of time to reflect on myself and what drives me and impacts me, and I find it very interesting when considering both internal and external factors, how that can impact our lives on so many levels, as well as our health on so many levels, and how it's all kind of interconnected. So I look forward to going deeper into the cultural aspects of health and education during this course in this program. There isn't any specific topics that I would say I'm looking to have discussed this semester. After reviewing the syllabus, I think everything sounds really interesting, and I just look forward to going deeper into those things and kind of feeding that curiosity that I have for education as well as the nursing profession. So I look forward to this semester, I look forward to the program and all that we'll learn. Thank you.